Yo, what up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. Let's go do some work. Check it out, guys. We're missing headers. And that's what we're gonna be working on in today's episode. So these are the headers for the 421. My dad welded them up. We cut out some custom flanges. They're a little extra thick, 3/8, cut on the laser. Probably wanna get rid of this, but I don't need that anymore, but it needs to have some sort of a coat job done to it, so I think I'm gonna try and sandblast them, and then we'll probably just paint them black for this year, just to make sure that everything, we like this motor, we wanna continue using this motor, we probably won't spend the money and get them actually coated. We'll probably just go with black or something. The next project is the headers. We're making some, that's hot. We're making some bracketry here. This will need to be welded like so. And then we're gonna go ahead and remove these while we're at it. Get them sandblasted.
Clamp that, weld it, and then drill it after.
It's almost as if I did it.
Almost.
It's almost that good.
If you ought to be this side, and then we'll see.
All right, I'm in. Bringing in the 18.
No, you can do the next tab. I'll do this tab.
Okay.
Watch you screwing up my tab. Even better.
That's really freaking good. I don't think I can do it that good. At least
I rushed it a bit because I can't see good enough. But
it's getting, yep, they are getting better. They're getting closer and closer to my abilities every single time.
wow, you must have got better at welding.
Well, considering the last time you seen me weld anything was probably 6th grade. No, I do not want to weld that.
You really should TIG weld it.
I am
Yeah, I think
could not be more impressed with the fitment on this patch piece. Oh my goodness. It's even got the right contour to it. How do you do it, Dad? Watch the old man as he defines what dead nuts means. Look at that old girl. My dad's old Monza. 947 on the window.
We'll see how it goes.
So there you have it, freshly blasted collectors. Nice and rough, ready to accept some paint.
Real high spots, you know, like the texture off of it a little bit.
Finally have the blasting done, maybe. Ridiculous, this button is so much harder to push than any other spray can I've ever had. Freaking finger hurts.
That's what I said to that.
I'm using my thumb like a moron. Dead nuts. nuts.
Should I try to weld it?
What are your thoughts? Well, okay, I'm confused. You said how great this was, but this isn't aluminum.
No, it's not. But
this is.
I know.
So,
but it's usually in how good you can see and feel, and tonight things are going pretty good so far.
tonight you're on point.
You know, my biggest worry is this is so heavy, this is so thin.
The old man's feeling it tonight with the TIG welder, but me, on the other hand, I just keep going back to the caffeine, you know. I don't have as much energy as the old man. I swear. He's lost like, he's eating all healthy now. He's lost like 13 pounds since the last time I seen him. Look at him. He's withering away. All right, change of plans, you guys. We were gonna take the radiator to someone who typically welds a lot more aluminum than like my old man does. The old man's like, everything's going so well tonight. I mean, we might as well just try it. It's working out really good because we were welding on those headers and that went really well. And he's like, let's just try it. Dang, man, this one on the bottom here especially looks pro-fesh. Pretty good, Dad, considering you hardly ever do this. Yeah. You saved us like a bunch of time as far as progress.
Yeah, and I'd imagine that it'd cost us $75 too.
I mean, what more could you ask for?
For it all to look like that.
Gosh, dude, that looks so good. Nice work, Dad.
I'm a little worried about this being porous up there.
Alright guys, today's video may be coming to an end a little bit earlier because we found that we do have one leak on the new bung on the radiator. Because we ran out of argon, and now we cannot repair it because we do not have any argon. So the radiator project is at a standstill. We were able to get some cutouts made on the bottom of the fan shroud here to allow room for the larger fittings on the bottom of the radiator. Everything's ready to go back together once the radiator is finished up. Other than that, we are getting very, very close on the headers. We have the collectors back. We're waiting on the paint to dry on the other part of the header, and we should be able to see how those are going to look. You don't like it or what?
I don't know if I do or not.
I think it looks super gnarly. Look at the headers. Jeez, those things are just dead nuts. I think they'll look good once all the tin's on the car. Yeah, that's dead nuts. I like it. Something different. Gives it a different look. Been running the same old look on the car forever. Headers are looking good though.
Well, by next weekend we should have new tires should be here, everything. So whenever we work on it next, we should be able to finish it.
Nice. Get the argon for the radiator. Get the new tires. What else are we waiting for?
Nothing really waiting for.
Well, we have a lot of mounting of things,
yeah.
CO2 tanks, stuff like that. That's going to take a while to figure out, I suppose. But look at these headers. I mean, I'm not sure if the paint, like I painted these more recently than that. So this is a little duller. This is a little shinier. I'm not sure if it's still drying or what's going on there, but gosh, those look good, you guys. Like, good, relatively speaking, to what they look like before. I mean, I know they're not like a beautiful chrome coating or anything like that, but I like it, and it's different. And we don't have a lot of money into them, so they look awesome to me. All right, we're calling it for today. Thank you guys for hanging out in the shop. We got quite a bit done this weekend. A little bit more to do, probably one more good weekend like this, and we'll be pretty darn close, pretty close to ready for the 2019 season. We'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
Speaking of GallStar stickers, I feel like my car should have a big GallStar TV logo on it. What are your thoughts about that? Why not? I don't know exactly what to do yet, but I've been thinking about this, like, because it still needs to have a Galls Auto sticker on it, but I might want that spot for the GallStar TV someday. So I might change it around, but who knows? I mean, golly.
I'll guarantee.
Probably not this year.
The GallStar or Gall's Auto does way more to sponsor this car.
Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's grow this channel. We need a little bit more support from the channel so that we can earn the top spot on the side of the car for a big old GallStar sticker. The old man saying that it doesn't quite deserve this spot yet. He's probably right, financially speaking. He's definitely right. But we'll get there. We'll get there and we won't give up.